Hi, I'm Victoria Westhaver, a senior at Arizona State University, where I am majoring in English. Because I love to write, I need to capture my ideas when they strike. In this screencast, I will introduce the features of OneNote by Microsoft that I really like. I believe that OneNote can be an effective tool for writers, so I will be highlighting a few key features that I think will be useful on your writing journey. Here's where the magic starts. This screen we see is divided into sections. The column on the far left is the folder in which a note can be placed. Here we see that mine is located in QuickNotes. The column following the folders is the title of the note. In this case, my note is titled My First Note. And finally, the bulk of the screen will be the space to write your note. There are many ways OneNote can be helpful. There is always the option of simply adding text. For instance, we can jot down a quick line or two for a poem like the one I have here. Here we see that we can add images that inspire us. In this case, I have added a quick line to jog my memory of what I was thinking when I took this shot. But you can add as much detail as you'd like if the mood dictates. You can also sketch out your ideas along with your text and images, or opt to draw out just a simple note. This is my favorite because it allows me to do a basic thumbnail sketch of an idea so that I can use it later on. When you're finished making your note, you can tag it in order to place it where you want to find it later, be it creating a simple to-do item or a reminder for later. After composing your note, but before you file it away for now, you have a few options you can add to it, if you so choose to. There's a feature where you can add an audio recording or even a table for additional information to be listed nice and tidy, if you're the organized type. You also have the ability to save it as a PDF and print it if you wish. So, I hope this screencast was helpful in determining if OneNote is for you. Thank you for your time, and I hope you have a beautifully creative day.